Now for an update on a story that's been reported by the news media for quite some time now. Winter storms still causing travel headaches for people in the northeast of the United States. Thousands of weary travelers faced a third day waiting to reach their destination Sunday as several airlines struggled to recover from the ice and snowstorms that paralyzed airports in the northeast. On Friday, U.S. Airways was still trying to find seats for the 100,000 passengers system-wide whose flights were grounded by powerful storms that same day.